Hi guys, whenever I need lump crab meat, I always head to Costco. Costco has the best price that I can find for this product. It is currently $24.99 and you get 16 ounces of delicious crab meat without having to extract the meat yourself. I have noticed though, that the price for the lump crab meat fluctuates quite often. I have seen it as high as $40 for this 16-ounce container to as low as $20 over the years. I guess it is dependent on supply and demand. I like that the container is partially see-through so that you can see exactly what you are buying and you get 1 pound, which is quite a lot of crab meat, so I typically like to split the container in half to make 2 different recipes. Today, I am making a Vietnamese crab noodle soup. Look at the clumps of crab meat. There's not even any shells that we had to pick out, just all delicious white crab meat. There are many things that you can make with lump crab meat, such as, of course, one of the most popular recipes would be crab cakes and seafood bisque. You can also make a salad, a crab dip, or add it to a soup. If you would like the recipe for this Vietnamese crab noodle soup, it is available on www.eatwithemily.com. Thank you for watching. Have a fabulous day.